60 years ago, in the heart of South Asia, a humble dream took shape: to provide affordable and reliable roofing solutions. From these modest beginnings, Ramco Industries has grown into a leader in construction materials, a name synonymous with innovation and quality. Ramco Power Roof brand fiber cement corrugated roofing sheets is a category leader in India and Sri Lanka today. What started as a single facility is now a network of 12 cutting-edge manufacturing units across India and Sri Lanka. Powered by over 4,000 dedicated employees and an annual turnover of 1,500 crore rupees, we've built a legacy of resilience and responsibility. Our flagship products, like Ramco Hilux and Ramco Hayden, have redefined construction with unmatched strength, fire resistance, and sustainability. Ramco Green Core roofing sheets, crafted using European technology, are setting new benchmarks for durability and eco-friendliness. Our products are exported to over 50 countries. We are shaping skylines worldwide while staying true to our roots in ecological consciousness. As we celebrate 60 years, we look back with pride and forward with purpose. Together, let's build a brighter, greener future.